Bonjour, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you're doing amazing. It's Minelia. Today's video is sponsored by Better Length Hair. If you've never heard of Better Length Hair, they specialize in making textured clippings, and this video I'm going to be reviewing the light yaki clipping, which is specifically designed for relaxed hair or silk pressed natural hair. So if you have your natural hair and you're looking for some added length, or you have your relaxed hair and you want to have some added length, then this might be helpful for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, let's go ahead and open the package. So this is one bundle light yaki in the color 1B. This is an 18-inch. My natural hair length is about 14 inch thereabouts, so I wanted something that was going to be long but not too long. And this is perfect for you if you have mid-length hair and you want to have that added length. So this would be ideal. This bundle comes with 7 pieces. So each piece has the clips based on the length. We have 4 pieces with 2 clips each. A shorter piece, which would most likely go to the back of my head, which is the shorter part or the smallest part of my head, and then another pair of 2 clips which would go a bit higher. Then we have 2 3 clips, and then 1 4 clip piece, which is definitely for the longest part or widest part of my head, so most likely from end to end. P.S. If you're interested in getting this bundle, I will link the exact item in the description box of the video. So definitely go ahead and give it a look out. And if you also want to get $5 off any double wefted clippings, it could be this one or any others, then you can go ahead and use my code that I will put on the screen. So let's go ahead with the tutorial and let's see how this blend. So I'm just going to speed through this part of the video. Because it is basically just me putting in the clippings in my hair, and I will start with the back of my head using the smallest pieces and work my way up, and we will blend that in to see how that goes along. By the way, I will be creating another video on styling this. I really want to see how this takes some curls or maybe a bit of a wave, whether with some rods or maybe some flat iron kind of loose curls. Let's see. But definitely, if you want to see that video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. As you can see, this goes really well. It blends really naturally with my hair. You cannot tell that I'm wearing weave, especially if you have never met me before. You probably would not be able to tell because it's very lightweight. I love that. The shedding is super minimal, almost non-existent, maybe 1, 2, 3 strands, but that's about it. And this is so light. It's very light. The ends are kind of like this natural, I wouldn't say tapered, if you will, but it has this very nice flow where it looks like your real hair. Now, the only way that you would probably see if this is my real hair or not is because my hair has somewhat of a bluntish cut in the ends, so you can see somewhat of a line of demarcation, but in terms of the color and the texture, this blends really naturally. And I will probably see how it goes better with the curls or styling it in the other video, but so far I absolutely love this, and I would probably like to wear this like on a day when I want to go out and have a little extra, you know. But this, I like this. So once again, I'm wearing the light yaki in 18 inches in the color 1B, which is an off black color. So if you want to get this, I will link this exact item or this exact hair in the description box, so definitely check that out if you're interested. And don't forget that if you want $5 off any double wefted clip-in, then you can use my code, which will be on the screen of this video or in the description box as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below your feedback, and I will see you in this video right here on the red screen or the other video on the other side. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bisous. Bye.